Hello friends! Today we're talking about something exciting, the brand new iOS 18 update. If you want to know how to download and install iOS 18 on your iPhone, then this video is for you. We'll be explaining everything step by step in Sinhala. So let's get started. Before we dive into the installation, the first step is checking if your iPhone is compatible with iOS 18. Usually, iPhones from iPhone 8 and newer models support the latest updates. Here's how to check your phone's compatibility. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Select About. If your iPhone model is listed here, you're good to go. Next, make sure to back up all your data before you install the update. You don't want to lose your important photos, contacts, or apps. You can back up your iPhone in two ways. Through iCloud. Go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, iCloud Backup. Backup now. Through iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Open iTunes and select Backup Now. Now for the most exciting part, downloading and installing iOS 18. Follow these simple steps. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Select Software Update. You should see iOS 18 available for download. Tap Download and Install. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery, or plug it into a charger to avoid interruptions. Once the download is complete, the installation process will start automatically. Your iPhone will restart a couple of times during the installation, so don't worry. Just sit back and wait for iOS 18 to install. While your phone is installing the update, let's quickly go over some of the cool new features in iOS 18. Enhanced widgets for your home screen. Smarter AI-powered suggestions in apps. Improved privacy features and faster app performance. Fresh customizations for the lock screen and notifications. After the update is complete, your iPhone will restart one last time. You'll see the welcome screen, and just like that, you're now running iOS 18. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Congratulations, you've successfully installed iOS 18 on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you through the process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips in Sinhala. See you in the next video.